Hi, I'm Alison Lebovitz, and if you're like me, then you know that camp days are the best days. So join me and Jewish Federations of North America on Sunday, August 2nd from 7 to 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be a star-studded campfire night you won't want to miss. We'll be joined by Danny Zucker, executive producer and writer for Modern Family, and also a camp guy. He's an alum of Camp Tuckahoe. Plus, who else to guide us in songs around the virtual bonfire than the song leader extraordinaire himself, Rick Recht. So join me, August 2nd, 7 o'clock p.m. We will relive memories, we will sing the songs, and we will celebrate camp together.